Hello and welcome back to HLS Crypto. My name is Dan. So today we're looking at Fetch AI versus VAIOT, which is better, obviously in my opinion. As I've said a few times on this channel, that I believe that one of the strong narratives in the 2025 bull run is going to be AI. Will it bring mass retail hype? I'm unsure. I don't think it will bring mass retail hype like your gaming projects and other things like that. But what we're going to do first is check Fetch AI out. So Fetch AI is introducing the first open network for AI agents. We believe AI agents will reinvent the way we live and work. AI agents can connect, search, and transact to form dynamic marketplaces, changing how economic activity takes place in the world. What are AI agents and what can you do with them? So AI agents are modular building blocks that can be programmed with logic to perform specific tasks. Make your legacy product AI ready. So wrap your API in a Fetch AI agents in minutes without changing your underlying business application. I think that's a positive. Create new business models. AI agents are composable with other agents in the network. Chain AI agents together to explore new use cases and business models. You've got start earning, so AI agents can negotiate and transact on your behalf. Level up your ML models. AI agents can provide inferences from any ML models, enabling you to monetize your insights and explore new paradigms. Fetch AI agents reside on a network, which gives them the power of communication and collaboration with one another. What I have noticed about Fetch AI as opposed to VAIOT is that Fetch AI's website I don't think is as good as VAIOT's, but we'll have a look at both just in a minute. Discover our fast and light framework that makes it easy to build agents. Launch your first agent at the click of a button using Agentverse, our no-code managed service. And then obviously you can flick through these websites yourself as well. Unsure of what to build, we've got numerous of examples to help you quick start fresh ideas. You've got EV charge booking, deep parking manager, travel booking agent, connect to specified LLMs, inference from AI models, predictive maintenance, bridging networks and platforms, connect and automate Internet of Things, weather Oracle agent. I mean, there's quite a few things on there. Again, I don't think the website is, it doesn't catch the eye. It's not like it's fine. It's not terrible. It just doesn't really catch the eye. So we'll have a look at VAIOT now. So VAIOT, I think this is a much more clear, nice looking website. I think it's fresher. And it's in cooperation with IBM, which I think is massive. IBM are huge, yeah? So AI-driven services powered by the first VFAA regulated digital asset. VAIOT offers a portfolio of blockchain-based AI assistants and on-chain intelligent contracts for businesses and consumers to provide automated services and transactions faster, easier, and affordable. And then obviously you can learn more about VAIOT by going through the actual video here on the site. You can do that. There's a few different things you can do whilst you're on the website, but you can learn about VAIOT's use cases. So an AI legal assistant, which I think is really interesting. It generates into the intelligent contracts, the concept of smart contracts through AI-driven conversational flows, focused on both contract analysis and automation creation of ready-to-sign traditional contracts and their digital equivalents, which is going to cut out a lot of things. Obviously, I still would believe that a lawyer would get you a better contract if you want to do something seriously and big, but it's an option now. These things are becoming an option. AI, crypto protection broker and aggregator. You've got AI merchants that can be like literally digital sales assistants. It's joined the Polygon ecosystem, but you can read more about that there. Invest in advanced AI and blockchain solutions today, regulated, audited, and transparent. VAIOT's AI tokens are regulated as a virtual financial asset under Maltese law, which we'll touch on in just a second. According to the Virtual Financial Assets Act, our company, the project, and the token offering itself was audited several times, verified and approved by Grant Thornton and the Malta Financial Services Authority. We purposely chose a regulated environment to provide our investors with necessary security, which I think is very, very good. I think it's a plus. AI use cases for both business and consumers. You can check those out. Solutions developed with tech giants and VAIOT's AI assistant token utility. Strong team of partners, which obviously is developed and has got. And then there's some solutions there. You can flick through the website yourself. I'm not going to go through the entire thing because it's very, very in-depth. But I'm sure if you want to have a look at this, then absolutely feel free to do so. Now, again, I'm not going to go through this entire article, but why VAIOT is so obvious, the foundations of a top-class AI project. There's only a few things I want to just sort of point out with this one is that what makes VAIOT stand out. So it's a VFA regulated token, like we spoke on before. It's the first ever project to be regulated on the VFAs Act in Malta. It's a fairly strict regulation introduced by the Maltese government in 2018 as the first one in the European Union to regulate cryptocurrencies and digital assets. It imposes several obligations on VAIOT, including annual security audits, AML, CFT audits, constant checks, and monitoring by our VFA agents and partner, Grant Thornton. So again, I think that makes it a little bit more safer, or far safer than some of the other altcoins that are not regulated in any way. AI and blockchain integration, we know that's going to be great. Legal services niche, which is quite interesting. And lastly, VAIOT is fortunate enough to work with a multitude of partners from different economic sectors. So you've got legal services, general consultant, and technological development. Crucially, VAIOT is also trans-diagnostic, which means that our solution can be used no matter what trend currently transpires in the market. So that, for me, makes it a little bit more future-proof as well. So if we look at the price, Fetch AI is currently at 37 cents. Its circulating supply and its max supply are very close. So that's good that it's got a lot of its circulating supply, or a lot of its max supply is already out there in the market. But it has got a market cap of $381 million right now. If we compare that to VAIOT, so VAIOT is priced at 9 cents at the moment. It's got over half, or nearly 3/4 basically, of its max supply in circulation. So again, I quite like that. But the key difference here is the market cap is only $27 million. So I think that, for me coming into the market going, well, which one would I go for? I'd be going for VAIOT. I think the website's clearer. I think the use case is slightly better in my opinion. But again, if you disagree with that, then feel free to tell me what you think about Fetch AI. And if you think Fetch AI is better, then I'm obviously happy to hear what people's thoughts are. It's what the channel was built on. But I do think that VAIOT will give you a bigger return for your money, in my opinion, because for a 10x from here, you only need a $271 million market cap from a 10x from here, which will put you on 96 cents. And not only that, that market cap would still be less than what Fetch AI is now. So for me, it's VAIOT. I would be going with VAIOT myself. I think the tokenomics are slightly better. The market cap's lower. I think it's a better project. So I think that the bigger gains will be made in VAIOT. I think a lot of people have already made a lot of gains in VAIOT, particularly recently. It's been a pump. Whereas Fetch AI, probably the gains were made a little bit before that. So it's interesting. I think AI is going to be a narrative. I do think it's going to be a thing for the future, but particularly in the 2025 bull run. Will it be as strong as the game and narratives and other narratives on top? Will we see a return of metaverse? We don't know. But I do think if I had to choose between the two, I'd be choosing VAIOT right now, personally. But obviously, it's up to yourselves. And I really want to hear what you say in the comments. I want to find out which project that you think has the most legs. If you enjoyed this video today, please smash the like button. I always appreciate you do that. We're closing in slowly now on 1,400 subscribers, which is unbelievable. So thank you for everyone who's took the time to do that. Thanks for every like, share, comment, and subscriber. I appreciate every single one of you. It does genuinely mean a lot to me. So thank you very much. Wherever you are in the world, have an amazing day, an amazing evening. I hope that you have a great time. And as always, we'll see you tomorrow. Take it easy. Goodbye.